Well, back to the reality of the coronavirus in our community. Most regions of the country, including ours, are seeing a rise in cases. It's nowhere near as bad as the peak earlier this year, but the uptick does have health officials across the region looking closely at what could potentially be another wave. Rania Kaur joins us live from Sacred Heart Hospital, where they're seeing more patients with the virus.
Hospitalizations across the county are still flat, but here at Providence, across their 2 campuses in the past 2 weeks, they've seen about 20 people hospitalized because of COVID, something they say is a slight trend upwards. Well, cases across the county are nowhere near what they once were. Data shows that within the past month in Spokane County, they've seen a slight increase in cases.
We may not be increasing as fast as some other parts of the state or other parts of the country, but the reality is that our numbers have increased, our positivity has increased.
As of 4th of July across Washington, people who aren't vaccinated in the 45 to 64-year age group are 20 times more likely to be hospitalized than those in the same age group who are vaccinated. In Idaho, 94.7% of all people hospitalized with the virus didn't get the vaccine.
So in early July, we were right around like 15 people in the hospital, and now we're seeing the upper 20s and 30 people hospitalized daily. So it's an unfortunate time, and we do hope that more people choose to receive the vaccine if they haven't already.
Kootenai and Shoshone County have historically had the most cases in the Panhandle. Catherine Hoyer with Panhandle Health says the region is primed for a new wave.
Well, with our low vaccination rate, the majority of our population is left completely vulnerable to catching COVID, and knowing that the Delta variant has a higher transmissibility, the likelihood of us having more cases if people do not get vaccinated is likely.
Dr. Velazquez warned that the pandemic is not over. Rather, we're entering a new phase. Since both Kootenai Health and our Spokane County hospitals take patients from other regions, we could see the number of patients continue to rise. Reporting in Spokane, Rania Kaur, 4 News Now.